Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, we got a cool one for you today. Superformance Cobra with Roush FE power under the hood. You're gonna love checking this one out. Let's take a look. I love the color of the paint. The silver stripes are looking sweet. I'll tell you what's so cool about this car is you don't see very many of these cars in this color. Plus, any car that we get in this color sells right away. It is a great color. I actually had a motorcycle this color. This thing is amazing. I actually had a pickup truck this color too. I love it. Of course, that pickup truck would hold no candle to this baby. Big horsepower under the hood, great big FE under there, all aluminum. It's got the true knockoff wheels. Now these Superformance cars are actually built in a factory by professionals. They completely paint the car, put the suspension, the wiring, the whole 9 yards. The only thing that's slipped in at the end is the motor and trans when they hit the docks here. We got a great looking wood steering wheel in there. Of course, all the gauges, again, those are all installed in the factory. The car is super sweet. I've had the pleasure of driving this car quite a bit, and you want to talk about a rocket ship? This baby's ready for the track. You put some sticky tires on this thing, and I tell you what, you're probably going to bring home some first place ribbons with this baby. Now this thing does have the top, and if you want to see pictures of the top on the car, go to our website at Vanguard Motor Sales. You can see it's got that fuel fill in it that they used back at the racetrack, which is very cool. Used to dump that fuel in there. They could probably dump 20 gallons in there in about 10 seconds so they could get back out on the track. Side pipes is where all the music's coming out, and they're all blacked out looking sinister. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this beautiful little car, so I can't talk today. You know we've done our homework and checked it out. Now Tom can answer all your questions when you give him a call at 248-974-9513. We're going to put it up on the lift and inspect it. We're going to take pictures. We're going to do videos. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on this car. Now you can check us out on the web at VanguardMotorsales.com. You're watching us on YouTube right now, and if you want to see more cool videos just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell so you get a notification every time we get a cool car in. All right, we're in the Superformance Cobra now, and it's like 5 degrees out. Now, I have driven these when it was that cold, but it's also slick out and nasty, so we're not going to drive it today. We will add it to the video later when we can drive it. Now, I do have quite a bit of seat time in this car. I've been able to take this car to a car show. It is amazing. Probably one of the fastest Superformance Cobras I've ever driven. This thing's got FE power just like it had in the day. Look at the dash, everything looking sweet. I mean, she's a beauty, you know. Carroll Shelby and Mr. Roush together. Man, this thing is cool. You can see it's got the signed glove box here. The car is amazing, guys. Now, we can ship it anywhere in the world because we're shipping experts, and we can also help you out with financing. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about it. You can call him anytime. Now, we're going to put it up on the lift so you can see the bottom side. We do that to every car here at Vanguard. And if you'd like to come in and check it out in person, we would love to have you. We encourage you to come in and check it out in person. We're close to the airport if you need to fly. A lot of people fly in the morning, fly out in the afternoon, make it a one-day trip. So stick with us. We're going in the air right now. All right, we're underneath the Superformance now, and man, it is clean under here. You can see the nice coating that on the gas tank looking sweet. You can see the frames all nicely painted. It's got a Dana rear end in it, right around a 342 gear, and of course it is posi. We've got disc brakes out here, and it is independent rear suspension too. Big sway bar here. We got the parking brake here. Little short drive shaft, it's all painted up. TKO 5-speed. That is a Tremec, guys. You can see explosion-proof bell housing. It's got a hydraulic clutch on it. Look at the paint job on that pan. That's an aftermarket pan, looking good. A Power Master high torque starter. Sway bar up front, coilovers holding it up. Willwood disc brakes making it stop. Everything under here is looking sweet. The nose is in good shape here. It's got the quick jacks on it. She is a beauty, and I love that color. We got good looking wheels and tires. These are the GT40 style wheels. Now, all of these, when you go to take them off, you knock them off to the front. If you're on the other side, you still knock them off to the front. So these are true knockoffs. These BFGs are 255/60 15s, and right here's where the music comes out. And right back here is where she's playing. Now we got two 95/50 15s here, and again, you knock them off towards the front, and you can see that aluminum doesn't have a mark on it anywhere. Now let's get under the hood and see what's making the horsepower in this little baby. All right, under the hood here, we got something really special that Mr. Shelby would love. It's an FE motor built by Jack Roush. Look under here. 451 cubic inch. Actually, they call it a 451R. This baby makes 555 horsepower. I mean, it is an amazing piece here, guys. It's all aluminum block, aluminum heads, aluminum intake. It's got an 850 4-barrel carburetor on it. It's dual feed, it's a double pumper, and it is mechanical secondaries. As you can see, the overflow tank is all chromed up. The aftermarket remote oil filters, all aluminum polished up. Electric fans keeping it cool. These valve covers are amazing. I love these valve covers. I have very similar ones on my car, but we had to cut them up a little bit to fit them in there. So they're not as pretty as these. You can see all the pulleys are all polished up. Looks like the alternator's fairly new. Looks like it's got an MSD distributor and coil on it. It does have power brakes. It is manual rack and pinion steering. That right there is the reservoir for the hydraulic brakes. I mean, just everything about this thing's absolutely beautiful. She makes 555 horsepower. She's my favorite color. She's an FE. She's a Cobra. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and my Vanguard Motor Sales park this stream in your driveway.